What's good, y'all? Welcome back for another video. Y'all will not believe. Okay, I know my voice sounds like it's gone today. I just woke up, okay? Let's not judge Valentine first thing in the morning, okay? Don't judge me first thing in the morning, okay? Okay? Okay. Y'all, Tiana invited me to, hold on. Tiana invited me to go with her to a white box event. First of all, I love white box. I love white box. Their clothes are just perfection. Perfecto. So let's get ready to go to this event. Also, I'm wearing an outfit I've worn already before. I don't know if y'all have seen it, but not too much on me, okay? I haven't gone shopping in a little minute. I'm gonna go shopping here one day soon. And just so y'all know, this isn't a makeup tutorial video, so also I'm sitting in my sink now. I have to get close up to see myself for real. So I'm gonna be back when my makeup is done and we'll put my outfit together, and then I gotta go head out to go and pick up Tiana. So let me do my makeup really fast. Mwah! Yeah, you weren't expecting to get some love, huh? Well, you got a little bit. Don't get all big-headed and thinking that you're gonna keep on getting more kisses. All right, girl? And that was a cheek kiss. A little, you know? Flat iron my hair. Like my hair wants to curl so bad at the bottoms. TT got me this wavy talk. Not sponsored, by the way, but she got me this wavy talk. It's like a steamer flat iron type thing. So I'm finna use that. I'm honestly super excited to go to an event of like some kind like this, like something girly at a place that I actually enjoy shopping at, and I actually genuinely love like this brand. And I'm so thankful that Tiana even thought to ever even invite me to, I don't know, anything that she goes to, but I'm so excited. Like, this is so on par, like so girly, so cutesy. Like, I don't mind going to like the dream cons and all that like cute, fun, nerdy stuff, but I've really been wanting to find, like, I wish I knew how to, I don't know, like, how I should use my platform in order to eventually get invited to go to these things, like, because I really love, like, I would feel like I would make more content too if I was doing it for brands I really enjoyed, you know, like, brands hit me up sometimes to do some one-off like sponsors or like promos and such, which is fine. Still love those too, but like if it was for a brand I genuinely really like loved, you know, like if it was this or Outkast, I really freaking love Outkast stuff. But I don't know like what I'm supposed to do, how I'm supposed to even get there. Like I don't know who I'm supposed to talk to. It's like, that's like the chaotic part, I guess, about being like in this field of like the industry, is trying to figure out, I guess, your place and how you can become more creative or more, I guess, influential with the platform you do have. I definitely know that me not posting as much in this moment isn't helping either, because obviously they want to work with people who are on active accounts. And that's my fault, just because it's just so much going on. Like, I've been planning for my birthday, trying to hit up places that I would want to go and like see or like have my party at. It's just been a lot. It's been a lot going on in the background over here. This is like the fastest hairstyle I could do in this short amount of time I had. I mean, not that I didn't know since yesterday, I did, but again, that was my own fault because I just didn't want to get out of bed so quickly. I was so sleepy from yesterday. We ended up going out yesterday. I don't think I even recorded a get ready with me. I was gonna do a get ready with me for the girls' night, but yeah, we had a girls' night. Tiana came too, and we went to a hookah lounge. We played some games, very us coded, very like my group friend coded for sure. Playing not video games, but playing games at a hookah lounge. And we brought our own game too. We brought our own not Monopoly. We brought our own Uno card game to play if we were gonna play Uno, but we ended up playing Monopoly instead. To be honest, what do we think? Do you guys like the hair? Do you guys like the fit? Let me show you a little bit better. So hair, fit. I've worn this outfit before, so it's not like it's like anything new, but I am gonna take my red purse because I have red nails. And let's do some spritzy sprays. We made it to the White Fox LA event, and it just looks like a big shopping spree closet. Look at this. White Fox. So cute. Oh my gosh, let's see what the new stuff they have for the season is.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you.
Can I take a picture of you two with their strawberries and things? Of course.
Consider this part 2 of the night, but we decided to also come bowling. I don't know where the bowling alley is. Okay, I'm looking for it. But we decided to come bowling, and I dropped Tiana off after the event. It was really cute. It was really nice. Thank you, Tiana, for inviting me. That was a lot of fun. But now, after a few hours, I had to go rush home, and I cooked. I always get really nervous when I meet like new people. Ooh, I know it's like gonna be more people, and like Chi-Chi's not here, so, or like none of the girls I know, like aside from Tiana, are here. So I'm like meeting new people. Like, oh my gosh, I'm just shy, bro. But let's have a great time. We've made it! Lucky strike, let's get our bowl on. Oh my gosh. I haven't been bowling in a minute. Normally, like we do girls' nights, bowling, all that stuff, so. Hey, I don't know if I'm gonna do good this time or what, but I'm gonna give it my all. I'm gonna try and con fuerza. All right, here's the first half of the party. Let's see. It's Nina's turn. Okay, wait. That's good. What the heck?
Let me take the comments out. Hi guys.
Hey, vlog.
So this is the vlog.
Say hi, vlog.
I'm actually vlogging though.
No, good at it. For me, she actually vlogged.
Everyone's finally here. Esmo thinks he's gonna win, but
let's see the score.
oh my god, look over there. You like the?
It's like really focused.
Is it?
Yeah.
Period. Hockey. It's okay. We didn't need those ones.
It's just a vlog. As long as they're not live.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, sure it's not like.
This is a no stream zone.
We're not allowed to stream, so we're vlogging, y'all. Oh, okay.
So basically, guys, right now we're doing the pins. Kendra, can you chop this up? Thanks so much, Kendra. Yeah, that's sweet. That'd be great. Yeah.
Period.
Thank you so much.
Copyright, copyright, copyright.
Hi. They ended our game, but I just got here and paid.
Oh, just talk to all them right now.
Thank you.
Our game ended.
Your game ended?
Yeah, but I just got here like literally not even 30 minutes ago.
Let them know because the people that added on didn't pay for a game, but nobody would be able to pull up a game.
So
It would separate the what's it called, the frames between the people that are on there. So if they only paid for like 40 frames, but there's 6 people on there, no one's gonna be able to finish the game.
So, and even if they're sitting down,
Sorry?
what if they're not playing?
So if whoever's bowling, that's what the frames go through. So there's more people on the lane, like actually bowling, than what was paid for. So it won't allow anyone to go through a full game. They'll have to purchase more games and learn more games.
What if the people that came get their game?
So they just to get
The 2 people that came could just buy their game and then, I'm sorry?
they didn't buy their game.
No, I'm saying if they come up here and just buy their
I
game.
will like guys to finish the current game they're on. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, the way this vlog is ending is
You have to put
they
the TikTok.
didn't. I know they didn't let us finish the game. It is what it is. Fuck it. But it was a time, I guess. You know, we still came out. We
Call the chase now. I'm disputing this order. Give me back my money.
bruh.
Give me back my money.
Anyways, let's get out of here.
I want it back. Oh, should we turn? Should I return it, Joe?
This is gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.
Bye.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가요 cold blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day. 꿈에도 I wasn't done with. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.